Hi everyone, so let's create 10 different YouTube videos, shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels or whatever with basically one single prompt. The tool I used is Abacus AI, specifically DeepAgent by Abacus AI. And I said, create a 10-15 second YouTube shorts videos of animated cartoon character that resembles Joe Rogan. In each video he is sharing some motivational message or life hack. Each video should be in different setting, for example, in office, other in nature, and so on. And then the DeepAgent or Abacus AI said, okay, I will create it. Just tell me video quality, specific topics. Do you like a character voice to be different? Settings, preferences, video style. I said, different motivational messages, conversational like Joe Rogan. Yes, many different settings. 5 videos directly speaking in camera, lip synced, and 5 more dynamic scenes with voiceover narration. And then it started searching, producing, collecting all of the information needed and creating a video completely by itself. Creating a script. I didn't do anything here. Creating a voiceover narration. He managed to find this is too long, 23 seconds instead of 15 seconds. So it shortened it up automatically. Then the video plan. Here are the scenes, everything created by itself. And then we have the video. So let's preview. Okay.
Listen. Waking up at 5 a.m. gives you...
And notice one thing, this is not 9:16 video because I didn't specify, so he created a normal 16:9. So what I did then, I said all videos should be in 9:16 format like TikTok, Reels or Shorts. Fine, and then he started creating all of the videos. Video 1 completed, let's click on that one. Preview. Click.
Listen, waking up at 5 a.m. gives you this magical window where the world is quiet and your mind is sharp. No notifications, no chaos, just you and your thoughts.
Look at
That's
Joe
when
Rogan.
you build the discipline.
Then it proceeded to create a second video called Exercise Mindset, lip synced. Let's preview that one. And remember, everything automatically. Script, voiceover, narration, scene settings, everything automatically without even instructing it. Okay, this is
Here's the thing about exercise. It's not just about your body. It's about conquering your mind. Every rep you don't want to do. Every mile you don't feel like running. That's where the real growth happens. You're literally training your brain to push through resistance.
Nice. And remember, every script is creating automatically. So I didn't write it to write that motivational message. It did it by itself. Fine. You get the picture. Another video. This one looks very interesting.
You want to hack your brain for happiness? Start with gratitude. Every morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It rewires your brain to look for the good stuff instead of focusing on what's wrong.
Nice. And messages are actually pretty good. Let's see the next one. Okay.
Your phone is destroying your focus. Every notification is training your brain to be distracted.
Indeed.
Turn that thing off for 2 hours and watch what happens. You'll rediscover what deep work actually feels like.
Yep.
Your mind will thank you.
And by the way, you can use that for YouTube automation easily. I could set it, okay, create 50 videos, I don't know, and make consistent characters. It would do that. Then additional video. This is similar
Success
setting.
isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Show up every day, even when you don't feel like it.
Yeah, exactly.
Especially when you don't feel like it.
Yeah.
That's when you build the character that separates champions from everyone else.
You are true, Joe Rogan. Now, time management. Here are dynamic scenes with voiceover. Remember that at the beginning I said 5 videos with kind of a Joe Rogan lookalike and then videos like more changing settings without a person in the scene. Let's look at this one.
Here's a time hack that changed my life. Time blocking. Instead of a to-do list, schedule everything.
Nice.
Give each task a specific time slot. Your brain loves structure, and you'll be amazed how much more you get done when every minute has a purpose.
So created all of the images, all of the titles, captions, voiceover, everything. Let's look at the next one. Okay.
Stress is just resistance to what's happening right now.
Yep.
When you feel overwhelmed, take 3 deep breaths and ask yourself, what can I control? Focus only on that. Everything else is just noise that's stealing your energy.
That's true. And then I wanted to change something, and you can change in the middle of creation. Now I said, okay, now create a talking video with lip sync using the image I uploaded. I uploaded image of Donald Trump. He's telling a following joke. Let's hear Donald Trump and the joke.
I told my dietitian I wanted to lose weight. She said, try eating salad. I said, salad? I only eat steaks. Big, beautiful steaks. My cholesterol? It's the best. People say it's the most luxurious cholesterol they've ever seen.
It's the best. It's completely amazing. Let's look another one. Okay, now also the Donald Trump saying the different joke.
I started a puzzle the other day. Said 3 to 5 years on the box. I finished it in 30 minutes. Everybody's saying it's the fastest completion in history. Even the puzzle was shocked. It looked at me and said, "Sir, how did you do that? Tremendous brain. Huge."
Yes, tremendous brain, amazing, huge, yeah, big one, beautiful. So yeah, basically this tool can create anything. Okay, let's look at, for example, additional video that it created. For example, this one.
Want to level up your mind? Read for 20 minutes every day. Not social media, not news articles, but actual books. Your brain craves new information.
Nice. So you can use the tool for YouTube automation, for creating TikTok shorts, multiple Instagram reels, whatever you need. And this tool can basically create applications, games, and everything else, as I showed in some other videos that I will share in the description down below. By the way, this is the pro version of the tool that costs for around $10 to $20 per month. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.